Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio problem in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's get started. Click on the 3-line option button near the timeline window. From the drop-down, select Reveal Sequence in Project. This will ensure that your audio tracks are properly linked. If this works, great. If not, let's move on to method 2. For the second method, we'll adjust the audio hardware settings. Go to Edit, scroll down, and select Preferences, then choose Audio Hardware. Here, make sure you've selected the correct input and output audio devices. If your audio still isn't working, try setting the input audio device to no device. This simple tweak can often resolve the issue. After making the change, check to see if the audio is back. That's how you solve no audio problem in Adobe Premiere Pro. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.